How you doing? My name is Herbert Palacios. I'm a machine operator in Accelerated Assemblies. I run VCD, axial, and TDK radial machines. So working with a VCD is something that you have to have hands-on ability. So those machines are very dynamic. There's many things that you have to adjust, many things that you have to pay attention to, especially having 120 stations on the VCD. You have to make sure there's no wrong parts, they're placed correctly. There's a lot of maintenance that goes into it. Any job that we have in Accelerated Assemblies is pretty fun to do. Working with people in this company, it is enjoyable. There's a lot of people that are just coming in from a different job that never ran this type of equipment and dealt with, for instance, testing or post-wave soldering. But everybody seems to work together to help each other. So working with Brian, it's very interesting, it's very fun. I learned a lot from him. He's a very knowledgeable individual. I've been through other companies, but this is the first time that I ever worked with an owner that listens, and that's very important. Makes somebody that's worked for a company comfortable. They feel like that they're part of the company. They're just not just a number. So that was something that I caught on really early when I started working with Brian. This is Herbert Palacios. I'm a machine operator in Accelerated Assemblies, and hopefully we'll be able to see your products in our company. Thank you.